Hook, ever wondered if you can use Cashapp to send or receive money from a Monzo account? Well, let's dive in and find out. Building context. Cashapp overview. Cashapp has become a popular mobile payment app, offering a quick and easy way to transfer money to friends, family, and businesses. But does it work with Monzo, another popular banking app? Monzo overview. Monzo is a UK-based digital bank that has gained a significant following for its innovative features and customer-friendly approach. So, can you connect these two apps? Main content. Direct answer. The short answer is no. Cashapp doesn't directly support Monzo accounts. This means you can't link your Monzo account to Cashapp and transfer money between them directly. Reasons for lack of support. Different payment networks. Cashapp primarily operates on the Visa network, while Monzo uses MasterCard. This difference in payment networks can be a barrier to direct integration. Regulatory hurdles. International banking regulations and compliance requirements can also pose challenges for integrating different financial institutions. Alternative methods for sending money. Bank transfers. While you can't link accounts directly, you can still send money from Monzo to Cashapp using traditional bank transfers. This might involve providing Cashapp with your Monzo account details and initiating a transfer from your Monzo app. Peer-to-peer, P2P, payments. If you know someone who has both Cashapp and Monzo, you can ask them to transfer money between the accounts on your behalf. This can be a convenient workaround in some cases. Third-party services. TransferWise. Now is a popular international money transfer service that often offers competitive rates and can be used to transfer money between Monzo and Cashapp. PayPal, another well-known online payment platform that might support transfers between the two accounts, although fees and exchange rates may apply. Future possibilities. Expanding partnerships. While there's no guarantee, it's possible that Cashapp or Monzo might expand their partnerships or integrations with other financial institutions in the future. Technological advancements. Advances in payment technology and open banking initiatives could also pave the way for more seamless cross-platform transactions. Conclusion. Recap. So, to summarize, Cashapp doesn't currently support Monzo accounts directly. However, you can still send money between the two using bank transfers, peer-to-peer payments, or third-party services like TransferWise or PayPal. Call to action. If you have any further questions or want to explore other payment options, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tech content. Closing. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.